Is the condo apocalypse over? Has it just begun? I don't know. Or do I? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, let's go through these homework exercises. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, all things for content all the time on our channel. So what is the truth? Is the condo boom or bust over? Being a realtor for more than 26 years, I've seen 1,000 of these deals. There is an opportunity in every stressful market. Right now, because assessments are severe, the opportunity for a buyer to get a huge discount has never been easier to do. If you're a seller, it's a prime time to go ahead and list your market. Interest rates are down, buyers are ready to remodel, and they're ready to take care of these assessments for you. I think it's a win-win for everybody. What you're seeing in the headlines and the data, it's all true. Listen, the inventory glut for condos is high right now, but the opportunity has never been higher for buyers to jump in, pick this up. Whether you want to get 1 unit or 100, the opportunity is there. Every building has its own DNA, and we need to look at those independently when we're talking about maintenance costs, assessments, and future value and appreciation. All these things have to be structured from day one, so we make sure we don't leave you exposed. Here's a real scenario as a buyer that you're going to encounter. We identify a unit that needs work. It has a huge assessment attached to it. The seller still thinks he's sitting on a pot of gold in the air. The problem is he doesn't want to pay the assessment. So how do you structure it correctly? You buy it down by paying his assessment. What does that mean, Adam? Property's for sale for $850,000. It has a $200,000 assessment. You're making your offer of $600,000 on that property. By the time you pay his assessment, clean the unit up, it's well over $800,000 at the end of the day. It really is a great scenario for a savvy buyer. Adam, this can't be true. If there's deals being done like this, how come I haven't heard about them? Well, the devil is in the details. These things aren't advertised in the internet. This is the water that happens in the contract. Now, here's the real point, the sticking point of any deal. It's the assessment that hurts more than the maintenance. How do we structure this so everybody feels like they're getting the better part of the deal? That's the magic dance, the tango we all need to do. And if you're a new realtor and you're thinking, God, how do I learn this? Call me on another video, we'll talk about it, right? But for you buyers or sellers, here's the real deal. How do we absorb some of that in between so you're not losing your equity, but this buyer feels like he can take on some of that stress, do what needs to be done, and the property can appreciate and mature in the right way? This is also known as the art of the deal. So is this apocalyptic event over yet? Not really. To give you the good news, it has balanced out over the last couple years, but there's so much opportunity today, whether you're a buyer or seller, to put your home on the market or get a great deal. So if you're on the fence and you're deciding, what should I do? I've made this mistake myself. Is it a good opportunity for me to buy another property, to change my own residence? And every time I'm waiting for that perfect moment, I realized I should have bought 3 years ago. Buy today, don't make the mistake tomorrow. I'm giving you the most solid advice possible.